over again and there's a fly in here. Okay, now you want to sit on my cheek. What's wrong with you? Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is exciting again because we're talking about skincare and mask and pampering your skin and everything possible. I received this beautiful PR box from Pixi, Pixi by Petra. You guys are not new to their skincare, I believe, famous for their glow tonic. I need to try to fit this in the frame. So once you open this box, okay, this is gonna slap me on my face, but these are the beautiful products inside and they all come with instructions about what are they about. First of all, you don't have to buy all of them because I have tried each one separately and that's why I have come up with this review. I've been using them I think over months because I'm sure this was sent to me long back, but I wanted to really dig into each product individually before I could sit here and talk to you guys and give a review on it. I will try to fold this. Okay, that helps. This is like bigger than me. Oh my god. So these are the products here. As you can see, there's depuff, there's detox, there's peeling, there's glow, there's purifying, and it also comes like with this washcloth, which I have not used, as you guys can see. So let's start with one product at a time. So this is the first product, which is for depuffing. This is the Detoxify, and these are these under eye patches. So it comes with a spatula here, and it's a little dirty because I've been using this quite a lot. So once you open this, it comes with a secure lid, and once you open it, you have these eye patches inside which are drenched in wonderful serum, and it comes with this spoon with which you can just lift these patches, and then they're like very easy to apply. But I'm not going to contaminate mine right now because I'm quite skeptical about the spoon. I think I just was in a rush and I just put it back like this. So I have loved this product, and you guys, this fly is annoying me, but I cannot like start again and again, so please excuse the fly. It has got no manners whatsoever. So I have loved this product because I suffer from under eye bags. I suffer from under eye bags, especially when I wake up in the morning. I think I do have like a lot of water retention. I mean, not around my ankles or something, but my under eyes are always like very baggy and swollen, especially if I'm very stressed. So first of all, they are very cooling, but despite of that factor, I like to leave this in the refrigerator, not in the freezer, but in the refrigerator, because once I apply that, I just feel like it depuffs instantly and I feel so awakened. So this is more like a morning routine for me, especially if I'm doing a video and I know that I have to do like a full face and I feel tired and I don't want to be like sitting here with bags under my eyes. Then that's the time when I use this. And also when I have like meetings, or I know that like a special occasion and I've not had enough sleep the previous night, then this comes to the rescue. So the depuffing eye patches, they're absolutely amazing. Did not cause any irritation to my skin, and the serum is just amazing. I just like to like massage in the remaining serum. They are very silicone-y, so it's not like very plasticky, or at the same time it's not like a sheet mask, but you feel the fiber and you feel that it's like a thick material that these eye patches are made out of. And so it's just like so cooling and hydrating, and at the same time it also depuffs. So absolutely love this product. Moving on to the next one that we have is the detoxifying glow mud mask. This is amazing. It's like a 15-minute facial, and if you're having oily skin, this is just beautiful. It's like a clay mask for sure. Mud mask, clay mask, and has a very faint smell. Since it smells like an aftershave lotion for me, I don't know why, but this has been very helpful, especially during summer. So you guys now know that I've had this for a long time because now it's October already. So I have been using this during summer, especially to get rid of that excess oil, because during summer my skin likes to behave like has its own mind and wants to just create excess of oil, even though I'm more like a combination skin kind. But summers are very hard for me, especially because I have to bloat my face again and again. I think this was also good when I had like bouts of acne, a little bit here and there. I won't say that it took away the acne scars or something, but it just helped in reducing that sebum formation in a way. And So this is something that I love. It could be drying though. If you have dry skin, you might want to stay away from this one because it's a mud mask, so I would not advise you to use mud mask anyway if you have dry skin. But you have to let this dry, and it really stretches your skin a little bit. So I would advise, if you've applied this, do not speak, do not talk, just relax and just enjoy those 15 minutes. And once it is dry, you can obviously feel it. I think it also changes its color a little bit like any other mud mask, so then you know that you're ready to wash it off and have like a super smooth and glowy skin. So it does brighten your face up a little bit, and that is something that I love. So that's all about the Glow Mud Mask. The next product that we have is for peeling. This is the Peel and Polish, and this is like a resurfacing concentrate. Now this is like an enzyme peel, and I am a little scared of peeling. I have used this just once. So this is what it looks like. It's just that I'm scared that it might break me out. So you're supposed to just apply this, leave it on for 2 minutes and wash your face away. And if you want some deeper exfoliation, you can just make your face a little bit more wet and then just go in circular motions for 30 seconds further. And you can use this 2 to 3 times a week. If you really want to dive into this product, I would still say use it once a week. 2 to 3 times would be too much. And what I had done is, it's like I was so scared. I don't know why I do this, but I need to venture out of my comfort zone sometimes. But I just like applied it, and I just had this little bit of tingling sensation. I just washed it away. I think it must have been on my face for 1 to 2 minutes, and then I just washed it away. I did not have any courage to like kind of go in and scrub it in a little bit, but I am going to try that. And I don't know why, but I feel that the granules kind of melt away once you do that, so I think that's like a plus point. But since I've used it only once, I'm not going to comment too much on that. And that makes us move on to the next product, which is again something that I've cherished. Now these are the Glycolic Boost Glow Sheet Masks. I have loved this. I have loved this to such an extent that I'm scared. Like, I've saved these two for special occasions. I think especially if my skin breaks out or I feel very dull. So the first time I used it, I woke up to this amazing skin. The serum is very thick, and again the packet is drenched with serum, so you have enough to even rub it on your arms and feet. Especially that's what I do because I don't like to waste product. So you cannot have too much of serum anytime. So I absolutely like this because the sheet was again a little bit different. It was not like a very flimsy transparent sheet. It went on well, and I left it I think for 10 to 12 minutes. I never exceed with my sheet mask beyond 12 minutes. So I left it on I think 10 for 12 minutes, and then I took it off and I rubbed the sheet on my arms and feet, and then I just slept and woke up to this amazing skin. I mean, it brightens. It's not like a huge transformation, and you have to use these products over a period of time to know what difference it has made. But I'm just telling you all about my first impression, especially with the glow mask. I did realize that it had somehow calmed down a little bit of inflammation that was going around my skin. Now let's see what's the ingredient. Okay, yeah, it has witch hazel, which definitely takes care of your inflammation, and I think that's why I absolutely adored the sheet mask. Moving on to the next product that we have is for purifying. Now this is the T-Zone Purifying Peel Off Mask. I love this product. I love peeling products. I also have like this charcoal face mask that is so much hyped about. I got it from India, so I need to do a review on that. So this mask has a little bit of this metallic finish. Has that smell of a typical peeling mask, like a peel-off mask. So this unique green superfood blend helps refresh and refine, great for congested skin. I have used this on my T-zone, especially because I get a lot of blackheads and whiteheads around my nose, and also some congestion happening around here and around here, around my chin. And the first time I applied it, I was like, okay, this is gonna be like a mild peel-off mask. Of course, it did not hurt me or something. It was very easy to apply, very easy to even take it off, but you have to let this dry big time. So always apply like a good amount of layer, because this consistency is quite runny. so it is quite liquidy. So I like to apply like a thick layer because I want to really peel off those blackheads and whiteheads. But I was amazed even this time when I applied like a decent layer. It was not too thick. Usually I go overboard more than that, but then I have to keep it for a much longer time to dry completely. But even this time when I just peeled it off, so I saw like the blackheads and the whiteheads come out, and I was amazed. It also kind of took care of the condition that was happening between my brows, so that was something great. So again, a good product, and I kind of like it. And the last thing that's here is the washcloth, which I have not used, so I'm not going to talk about that. So guys, that's all about the Pixi Skin Treats. I have given my fair, genuine, honest, and what I feel about these products. I was quite transparent about that. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and I'm gonna let these dry. Well, it's gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna wipe them off. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, found it useful, and I'm gonna see you all soon with a new video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I come out with a new video. I'm sending you lots of love. Bye.